Good morning, everyone. I'm Monish from SNS College of Technology, studying third year aerospace engineering. So today we are going to talk about the Airbus business model Canva. So we all know that Airbus is one of the leading aerospace and aeronautical companies in the world to produce many kind of aircraft which is very efficient and also very good. So let's delve more into this topic. So let's see their value proposition. First of all, let me just point out the points that has been mentioned here. First one, efficiency, sustainability, security, lifestyle sector. Okay, first of all, efficiency. World's most fuel efficient fleets, A320neo and A350. So we all know Airbus aircrafts are the most efficient in the world because they have also the fuel efficiency and also their credibility and many other things that factors to this efficiency. And next is the sustainability. It is a researching phase going on right now. It's not actually sustainable. They don't produce zero emission as of right now, but they are striving for that. And as far as the security goes, they also dwell in the fields of military as well as space technology. So we can see Airbus leading in the both military and space technology in the coming future. And lifestyle support. So the customer service and also the global maintenance is 24/7. Whenever we have a problem, a mistake, or whatever concerns we have to concern with them, we can contact them at any time, at any place in the world. That's it. And the next will be shared by the members.
Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm Sheriff from Aerospace. So I'm here to talk about the Airbus customers and relationship and how they handle the relationship, how they have the good relationships with their customers. So customers, they have many airlines, governments and militaries and space agencies, where their main customers are mostly commercials who are like day-to-day consumers who use their airlines for various purposes like transportation and import and exports of goods and various others. And their key relationships are 20 to 30 years of partnerships, co-creation, like they collab with some other big companies, and to collab and create new airplanes to for the customers. And they also sell private airplanes for the big billionaires and for big MNCs who have to who use the jets for their day-to-day purposes. The next page will be spoken by my classmates.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kavinesh from third year aerospace engineering. Now I am going to list down the key activities and the resources of Airbus. So the first is aircraft design and engineering. In this part, research, innovation, and development of commercial, military, and space aircraft systems are done. In research and innovation part, development of fuel-efficient aircraft, sustainable aviation technologies, and the future mobility concepts are done. And also the light testing, safety compliance, and the certification with the global aviation authorities are done in testing, certification, and control, quality control. Next is digital and smart manufacturing. In this part, the AI automation and the digital twins in design and the production department are used. And the next is key resources. The important resource of the Airbus is human resource. In this resource, aerospace engineers, scientists and researchers, technicians, test pilots, and the skilled manufacturing workforce members are involved. Next is physical resources. In this, manufacturing plants, assembly lines, testing facilities, R&D and centers, wind tunnels and labs are there. And the last is technological resources. In this simulation software, digital twin systems, and AI-based design tools, and the automation and the robotics parts are there. The next will be explained by my team member.
First, we collaborate with leading engine manufacturers such as Rolls-Royce, GE Aerospace, and Pratt and Whitney. These partnerships are critical because engine represent the art of an aircraft performance. Working with established engine makers ensures high efficiency, reliability, lower fuel consumption, and compliance with global safety standards. Second, we have government backing, particularly through strategic European Union alliances. Government support helps in funding large-scale R&D programs, sharing risk in advanced aerospace projects, and ensuring long-term stability in areas like defense, sustainability, and space exploration. This backing is important because aerospace development requires heavy investment and long timelines. Third, we engage in joint ventures like Ariane Group in the space sector and ATR for regional aircraft. These ventures allow specialization, while ATR leads in fuel-efficient turboprop aircraft. By sharing expertise and resources, we develop development cost and improve innovation speed. Next, my teammates will present.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Amdish. So I'm going to speak about the cost structure and revenue of uh, cost structure R&D investments. This was the major investment that Airbus doing, and manufacturing expenses, raw materials, and specialized labors that need to build the flying machines. Compliance, rigorous safety testing, and globally regulated certifications are needed to in these situations. Revenue stream, commercial sales. So they will sell bulk flying machines to the commercial aircrafts, commercial. So they will receive bulk revenue from this, and from selling those, they will get service and life cycle maintaining. So by maintaining it, they will get more money too. And they get revenue on defense and space sectors, long-term investment with government. Thank you.